Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you that how you can erase your iPhone factory reset without Apple ID password. So if you're trying to erase your iPhone or factory default your iPhone but it's asking for Apple ID password, if you're logged into the iCloud, you won't be able to reset your iPhone factory default because you have to sign out first or you have to enter your Apple ID password to erase your iPhone. So let me show you a way how you can just simply reset this. So if you don't have your phone number or access to the email address, you cannot reset your Apple ID password. So before you start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. First of all, click on settings, then click on general and scroll down all the way and you will see this transfer or reset iPhone. Simply click on it and click on erase all content and settings and click on continue. Enter your iPhone passcode. Now here you will see it's asking for Apple ID password. So simply what you're gonna do, click on forward password, sorry. When you click on it, it won't ask for you your phone number or anything. It will ask for you only your just the same iPhone passcode and you will get this, enter your new Apple ID password. So now you have the chance to enter your new password. Then simply let me just change my password. Once your Apple ID password has been changed, then you can go back, click on your Apple ID, click on find my iPhone, click on it and simply turn off and enter your Apple ID new password which you have just reset it. Then click on turn off. Once it's turned off, now you can just close the setting, open the setting again, click on general, scroll down, click on transfer reset, click on reset. As you can see Apple ID, click on continue, enter the passcode, keep, right. Now this time it won't ask for you your, as you can see, Apple ID password. Now you have the option to erase your iPhone. Now you can simply click on erase your iPhone and you will be able to erase your iPhone. So I'm not going to do it. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.